Don't you want to stop him?
No, I want to kill him! I want to put Sentinel in chains and march him through the mines so everyone can see him for the false prime that he is! I want him to suffer and then to die in darkness!
Trust the so-called leader ever again. I don't have anything left to lose.
Why did you do that? Why?
I'm done saving you.
We will not be blinded by his deception. We are the ones who are Decepticons!